watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
Here's a view right now, what we're tracking here in the Weather Center. Out there right now, still tracking those mainly cloudy skies, even a few showers sliding on by. It's muggy and it's foggy. You're noticing that as you're stepping out this morning. It'll be hotter tomorrow. Today we'll see high temperatures right around 80 degrees. Tomorrow we could be pushing near 90 degrees. We're watching Thursday for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Won't be quite as warm on Friday. We'll see highs much more seasonable into those lower 70s. But visibility, that's the main story out there this morning. Not about 3 miles of visibility in DC, 4 in Leesburg, 5 in Winchester. 5 is the highest in terms of the visibility in miles across our area right now. Now about a mile or less, Fredericksburg, Orange, Culpeper, and Luray, and that's the area where we do have that dense fog advisory that remains in effect until 9 o'clock this morning. So these are the areas where that visibility from one town to the next could drop back down to a quarter of a mile or less. So again, make sure that you are taking it slow, being a bit more cautious as you're hitting the roads this morning. Radar out there right now, some wet weather moving across southern Maryland, even a few of those showers very spotty back over towards Stafford County, then off towards Montgomery County in Maryland. We are seeing a few more of those showers sliding on through there right around Germantown. Futurecast shows us that through the day today we'll see mainly cloudy skies. That chance for a few more showers and storms to bubble up later on this afternoon between 2 and 4 p.m. Then those continue to slide their way off towards the east. Could see that chance for an isolated shower overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Some of that shower activity or thunderstorm activity back off across our northern zones overnight into early tomorrow morning. By 6 a.m. could see that passing sprinkle back out towards our far western areas. But tomorrow we're going to be looking at those high temperatures climbing to near 90 degrees. Could even be 88 degrees possible as early as 9 o'clock in the morning, or I should say as early as 11 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. And then a chance for that spot pop-up thunderstorm mainly south as we look ahead towards later on tomorrow. That radar, though, is still quite active across parts of the plains and now working its way across parts of the Midwest. Over towards Illinois, we do have the squall line, and that's that line of embedded thunderstorms, embedded severe thunderstorms at that, and a lot of lightning and a lot of wind too. And that's continuing to push its way into Illinois and eventually moving into Indiana later on today. So that severe weather, the bullseye on the severe outlook is back over towards the Midwest today. We do have that marginal risk for our western areas later on this afternoon. Looks like a marginal risk tomorrow, although any thunderstorm that does pop up looks to be later on the day tomorrow, if possible. Then as we look ahead towards Thursday is a DMV first warn day. We do have the I-95 corridor, DC, southern Maryland, parts of Virginia, all including that site risk. That's 2 out of 5 on that severe scale. So it's a little bit more elevated than a marginal risk. Dew points out there right now. It is a muggy start to the day. Dew points in the 60s. Temperatures right now, those are into the mid to upper 60s, especially for DC area southbound. We'll see those highs today, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Tomorrow, a little bit hotter. We're tracking those highs mid to upper 80s. Could even see a few 90s on the map tomorrow afternoon. Beltway series, that's later on this evening. First pitch, 78 degrees. Could see that shower or thunderstorm within the vicinity of Nats Park. Otherwise, we're looking at cloudy skies through the rest of the game. Temperatures lower 70s by the end of the game. Here's to be the rest of that 7-day outlook. We're looking at temperatures low 80s out there on Thursday. Watching for any strong and severe thunderstorms that day. Will be breezy. Not as warm on Friday. Highs low 70s. Shanika, what are you seeing on the roads?
All right. Hey, Jackie.